Good morning, everyone. After this want is set up, there is a plot in the movie. Plot is something all of us kind of have an idea. That is, how does it flow? What events occur? How are they resolved? Who does what? Is the plot. This plot is around three things, three stages. Let's call it setup, where the characters are set up, introduced. The want of the protagonist is set up. Often, the wants of the other characters is also set up, and then comes the conflict. So setup will typically involve about 15%, 20% of the initial time. That is the time when the audience is also hooked. Audience gets interested, identifies themselves with the want of the protagonist, and then the conflict starts. So there are barriers to his want, natural or created by someone who creates those barriers is called antagonist, or in common language you call it villain. The intensity of the conflict keeps on increasing till about 80-85% of the time of the film, and finally in 15 to 20% of the time it is resolved, which means the want is either met or not met, or something else happened, but what happened finally is the resolution. This is the script writing process. In fact, a script can't be just written. It has to be carefully, meticulously, and stepwise crafted by smartly following the best practices. If you want an in-depth guidance on every step, you are welcome to join my course, Screenwriting with AI, on Udemy. Please do share this lesson with any of your friends and family members who may be interested in learning to write scripts.